oatmeal cream pie, and some turtles. Come on. You need to get lower to the ground, or the water. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, it's going after it. Just tearing up that one piece. Oh, there it goes. And it's gone. Oh crap, dude, it's going towards me.
Don't make any stuff.
Did it slash you?
Yeah.
Dude.
I want to get him on the way.
Oh my god, dude, that's dick.
Turn off the video camera real quick.
Okay. See ya.